Early morning begins quietly in the village as the rooster signals the start of the day.
Birds move across the sky as the village slowly wakes under the soft morning light. Animals stand quietly near the homes as the sunlight spreads across the village.
The narrow paths slowly fill with light as the village prepares for the day.
The newspaper seller moves through the village delivering the morning news. The milkman continues his routine, bringing fresh milk to each home.
Villagers begin their morning work, cleaning and preparing their homes.
Quiet corner of the village holds the steady presence of the morning animals.
Young bride begins her morning work with calm and steady steps. She prepares to collect fresh milk as the peaceful morning continues. She begins milking the cow as the quiet rhythm of the morning continues. Fresh milk gathers steadily in the pot with soft and calming movement. She lifts the pot filled with fresh milk after finishing her task. She carries the fresh milk inside to continue her morning work. The milk is placed near the stove as the cooking process begins.
He walks toward the village shops as daily activity continues around him.
He moves through the village as the morning routine carries on.
He arrives at the shop to collect the needed ingredients. The ingredients are packed carefully for the return journey.
He returns home with the items needed for cooking. She prepares the cooking space by arranging the utensils neatly. She cleans the tomatoes slowly before starting the cooking.
He brings the ingredients and hands them over before leaving again. He leaves the house and continues his work outside.
She sets the ingredients in place before beginning the preparation. She cleans the chicken pieces thoroughly for cooking. She drains the water slowly, preparing the chicken.
She places the pan on the stove to begin cooking.
She lights the fire gently to heat the pan.
The flame rises slowly, warming the pan for cooking.
She adds oil to the pan to begin the cooking process. Whole spices are added as the cooking begins with soft crackling.
The spices heat slowly, releasing their flavor into the oil.
She grinds the tomatoes into a smooth paste for the curry. The tomato paste is added, starting the base of the curry.
The mixture simmers quietly as it starts to cook.
Turmeric is added, bringing color to the curry. Spices and salt are added to build the flavor.
She stirs the masala slowly as it thickens. The chicken is added to the pan to cook with the spices. She mixes the chicken slowly so it absorbs all the flavors.
He walks through the village as the day continues outside. He collects firewood for the home.
He returns home carrying the firewood.
He arranges the firewood neatly near the house.
She opens the pan as the cooked aroma begins to rise. She adds milk to make the curry smooth.
Butter is added to enrich the flavor of the dish.
She stirs the curry until it becomes smooth and rich. The curry cooks slowly, becoming rich and ready. She prepares the dough for making fresh rotis. She rolls the dough into small round rotis.
The roti cooks gently on the heated pan.
She flips the roti as it cooks to a soft texture. The butter chicken is now fully cooked and ready to serve. She removes the pan and prepares to serve the meal.
He washes his hands before eating. He sits down and waits for the meal.
They sit together and enjoy the meal as the village day continues quietly.